That cash right there, that boy. Check that out. Lane turning the big number 11 right there. I'm gonna go out to that dude sometime. I know he's gonna come back with something.
Some tasty
Happy
fish
birthday,
there.
Lane in St. Paul.
Nice catch. Colvin Whitley turning 12 years old this year. See, he's a Chiefs fan there. Happy birthday to Colvin in Thayer, Kansas.
In Carthage, Logan Berkey. A happy 24th birthday. Sharp dressed dude right there. Logan wants you to know this comes with love from Mom and Todd.
All right. Jenny Price turning 29 years old this year. Jenny is celebrating in Nevada, Missouri with love from Mr. Frank.
We've got Chris Jordan, a big number 40 on the board. Chris, a very happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh. I like that figure.
All right. And in Altamont, the Cunninghams are celebrating their 42nd anniversary this year. Congrats going out to Jeff and Susan.
Charlie and Cindy Stoll, they just celebrated their 48th anniversary. We'll turn back the clock to that magical day. Congratulations, Charlie and Cindy. They are in Chanute.
Oh, I love that dress there. And let's see, Cammie Borland is turning 28 years old this year. Cammie is in Carthage. And the Haywards are celebrating their 9th anniversary this year. Trey and Tori Lynn Hayward are in Altamont, Kansas. Anniversary wishes coming out with love from the entire family.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this October the 20th. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or connect to us via our website page, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.